Hi everyone, welcome to my new video, and today I'm going to talk to you about a beautiful universal energy, the archangels. Before I proceed, I would like to render my gratitude to my friends, my subscribers, my family who have supported me and showed your love on my previous video, and I've definitely worked on my flaws and come up with a better version this time. Let me introduce myself. My name is Shreya. I am a Reiki healer, a tarot card reader, an angel bliss practitioner, as well as a neuro linguistic program coach. So, coming to my topic about archangels, you might ask me who are archangels? Archangels are the messengers of God. There is no religion to connect with archangels. They are pure light they are the divine source of light, and they are above our guardian angels or angels. They look over or take care of the guardian angels and mankind and all other universal energies. Archangels being very close to God, so whenever you place your request to God, just trust that your wishes are fulfilled more quicker, or else they would create an opportunity for you and and help you to manifest your desires. There are no male or female archangels. As I told you, they are pure divine light. So, based on your experience with the archangels, as you work with them, you can define an archangel being a male or a female based on their characteristics or their energies. Their boundaries are limitless, and you can request n number of help from them, but make sure that you place a request in front of them so that it gets manifested or it gets fulfilled. As I told you previously in my last video, that unless you do since the archangels are bound by the law of request, unless you place a request with the archangels, they cannot intervene in your life. Now you might ask me, how do we know or how do we recognize the energies of the universal energies or archangels around us? So there are different ways in which the archangels are trying to connect with us. Because they don't have a physical form, they may not be able to show their presence in front of you completely, but they will try to interact with you through different sources. So some of it being you might see a beautiful feather as you are walking on in a garden, or even in your house you might find a feather out of nowhere, or else you might find a beautiful image in the clouds, or else you might find coins in unexpected places. And even be conscious of the sound, like when you are in deep thoughts, when someone is passing by, they might be answering the question that you are thinking of in your mind. So even in that way, angels are trying to connect to you. You might even see synchronized numbers, like repetitive numbers. Whenever you see these um, uh, whenever you see this kind of messages, then just render your gratitude to the archangels or else the universal energies, or you can make a wish, or if you want you can talk to them. Again, it's up to you as to how do you want to have a connection with them. Now we will talk about how archangels will help us. So archangels, their boundaries are limitless. They can help us in simplest of the things, or in any major crisis they can always help us. So few of the examples that they can help in is, whenever you're facing problems with the sleep, you can invoke archangels and ask them to provide you a good night's sleep, or else you can ask them for a protection whenever you are going out of the house. Now, since we are in a COVID situation, you can call upon Archangel Raphael and ask her to shower her divine green light on you and protect you and your family whenever you're stepping out of the house. Or else, the other form is you can even charge your food, water. If you're in some unknown place, or if you're going to a restaurant, you can charge of food and water with the help of archangels. And even healers can invoke archangels or angels whenever they are giving protection or healing to their clients. Healers who are in reiki healers or else pranic healers, they can invoke archangels. um, since I've already told, there is no religion in these energies, they are just pure light. One more thing I would like to tell you all is don't be desperate to connect to archangels. Just pray, have trust that you are connecting with them, and always render gratitude. Be it any situation, be it you're facing a challenge, or if you're in a happiest moment, every moment render gratitude to the universal energies, and try to make a journal of your day-to-day activities. Like, make a gratitude journal and see how your life changes towards the betterment. So, in case you have more questions or queries, you can connect to me on my Gmail ID, or else you can post it on your comments, and I will revert to you. You can even DM me on my Instagram, where I'm more active. So, you can always connect and know more about the universal energies. So, see you soon, and stay safe. Thank you.